Want to give your Windows 11 a premium glass-like appearance? Stay tuned as I walk you through the process. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to grab the WindHawk app. Just head over to Google, search for WindHawk, and click the first link for windhawk.net to get started. Go ahead and click that download button right on the home page. After the file downloads, go ahead and open it to get started. It's super easy, just follow the installation wizard and keep clicking next until you're all set. The installation process involves downloading and installing packages. I am speeding up this section to save time while the operation completes. Now that we've got that finished, let's grab the WindHawk configs to get that cool glass look on Windows 11. Just head over to the Google Drive link in the description below and download the zip file. Go ahead and open your downloads folder. Then just extract the file. In this folder, you'll see a bunch of text files with the JSON config codes we need. We're going to use these to easily import our settings into WindHawk. Now that we're in WindHawk, let's get those modules installed and tweaked. We'll start by changing up the taskbar. Just head over to the Explore tab, find Windows 11 taskbar styler, and click Details to get started. Then click on Install to install the module. And click Install again. Head over to the Advanced tab. You'll see a mod settings box there. That's the JSON config file we're going to update. Head back to that folder we downloaded earlier. I've added some text files for each mod to make things easier for you. Just go ahead and open taskbar.txt, copy everything inside, and paste it right into WindHawk. Just follow along with what I'm doing. Once you're done, click Save to see the effect. So, you've probably noticed the new glass style taskbar. It looks great, but the clock and some other icons seem a bit off-center. Let's head back to the Explore tab to tweak the taskbar height and icon size so everything looks perfectly aligned. Go ahead and install the taskbar height and icon size mod. Just like before, open the text file named taskbar height and size, then copy and paste the JSON code inside. As you can see, the taskbar looks great now. The height is spot on and the icons are sized perfectly. If you want to tweak the size or adjust any other settings, just head into the config file and play around with it. Let's get that start menu customized. Just like before, head over to the Explore tab and find the Windows 11 Start Menu styler. Once it's installed, grab that JSON config file from your Downloads folder and paste it into the mod settings to finish up. If you head over to the Start menu, you'll see that it has this nice, clean, transparent look now. The File Explorer is still lacking that sleek glass look, so let's update it. We'll need two mods for this. Start by heading over to the Explore tab and searching for File Explorer Styler. As you already know, just head over to the Advanced tab and paste those JSON settings right in. As I mentioned earlier, we need one more mod to get that transparency working properly. Just head back to the Explore tab in WindHawk and search for Translucent Windows. Once you've installed it, the changes should kick in. If you don't see them right away, just give WindHawk a quick restart. And there you go. Everything now has that cool, transparent glass look from your Start menu and File Explorer to the taskbar and right-click menus. It looks awesome. Now, just pick a wallpaper that fits the vibe. I've included 20 Windows 11 wallpapers for you to try out, so let me know which one is your favorite in the comments. That's it for this video, but hey, if you decide you want to switch back to your original Windows 11 look, I've got you covered. If the new theme isn't quite your style, or if you run into any glitches, just come back here and follow these steps to undo the changes. Let's open WindHawk. Just head over to your taskbar, find the WindHawk icon, and double-click it. Once the app is open, you can go ahead and disable each of the mods we set up one by one. And there you have it. Everything is back to the default Windows 11 settings. Feel free to look around and confirm that everything looks the way it should. Last but not least, let's swap out that wallpaper. If you've got your own file saved, feel free to use that, or you can just grab one of the default Windows options in your personalization settings. Now that we're finished, let's go ahead and remove WindHawk. Just head over to your search bar, type Add or Remove Programs, and open that up. Once you're in, search for WindHawk, click the three dots next to it, and hit Uninstall. And that's it, your computer is back to normal. I really hope this video helped you get that sleek, glass-like look on Windows 11. If it did, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing for more. See you in the next one.